Join the Dynamic Singles Ministry as we reach out and touch our community at the upcoming Red Cross Fair. This event will be held on Saturday, March the 3rd, 2012, beginning at 12 noon on the lower grounds of the Government House. It will be a wonderful time to interact and share with the many patrons who will attend and at the same time volunteer your valuable services to raise much needed funds that will be used to help the Red Cross carry out its many programs to the sick and disadvantaged in our community. You will be blessed. To participate, sign up at the People's Desk in the foyer immediately after the service today. It's that easy. Remember, together, let's reach out and touch somebody's hand and make this world a better place. Yes, we can.
Take a little time out of busy day to give encouragement.
Welcome, Kingdom citizens. I'm Ava Brown.
And I'm Vinia Volmi.
And we're delighted that you can join us for another Kingdom News Update. In order to better assist persons in attendance on Sunday mornings who may need temporary assistance from the storehouse, there will be a member of the Kingdom Kenneth leadership available immediately after service to assist. All inquiries for assistance should be directed there. This Wednesday, February 29th, church leadership training continues for all BFM ministry department leaders and assistant leaders, Kingdom Kenneth group leaders, and BFM counselors. Sessions will be held 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. upstairs in the cafeteria.
The membership class is scheduled for March 18th. Therefore, in order to complete the membership application process, persons with outstanding items such as references, photo, or application fee are asked to please submit the same to Cynthia Fowler by Wednesday, February 29th. Our first Marriage and Family Enrichment Seminar is scheduled for April 13th. We encourage you to make plans to attend this life-changing seminar. Members, please be reminded that attending the marriage seminar is a prerequisite for getting married here at BFMI. Application forms are available at the information counter in the foyer. For more information, please contact Cynthia Fowler at 461-6475.
Now for our youth announcements. Congratulations go to BFM's very own up-and-coming 13-year-old recording artist, Avery Fowler, son of Andy and Carla Fowler and grandson of Cynthia Fowler, with his new song, Like a Rainbow, produced by DJ Consular. The CD has been released to local radio stations and should be available globally by the third week in March. Pastor Dave Burrows would like to meet with all members who are involved in the field of information technology immediately after service today on the eastern side of the stage for a brief discussion about BFM's IT project. On February 29th, DJ Consular is scheduled to speak at L.W. Young's 9th grade school retreat. Please cover him in prayer. Come out and hear international guest speaker for next week Friday, Rita Jones Dudley of Yeah Ministries. Please be reminded that TYC starts at 7:30 p.m. All youth from the ages 13 to 21 are expected to attend. Young Champions Boys Club continues every Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. for boys ages 9 to 21. Transportation is available. Please call the youth office at 461-6430. TYC is in need of adult workers. If you are interested in serving your gift as a part of the youth leadership team, please contact Pastor Dave Angie Burrows at 461-6430. And TYC Stages meets upstairs in the cafeteria every Sunday.
This week at BFMI on Monday, February 27th at 7:30 p.m. Plan to be a part of our Kingdom Prayer Congress. On Tuesday, there will be no Church Leadership Council meeting. Persons are encouraged to attend the leadership training on Wednesday. On Wednesday, February 29th at 7:30 p.m., Church Leadership Training continues. And on Sunday, March 4th at 10 a.m., join us for our Kingdom Citizens Celebration.
Let us continue to pray for the complete healing of Joy Mullins, Sylvia Bethel, Cynthia Brennan, Nelson Brennan, Dorinda Forbes, Peter Wilson, Stacy Stubbs, Arlene Farquharson, Naomi Thurston, Venera Small, Elon Heald, Mirthlin Jones, Deandra Rollins, Harold Cotter, Cheryl Cotter, Shannon Cartwright, Dario Anbrister, and Juanita Fox. Thank you, Kingdom citizens, for tuning in for another Kingdom News Update. I'm Ava Brown.
And I'm Vinaya Volme.
Coming to you from the Bahamas.
The place where God lives.